within the period of July 10, 2025 to October 12, 2025, there have been 60 total number of operations, 35 of which had recoveries. So sa 35 po out of 60 may recoveries na nakuha. 25 are without. Tapos total number of bones recovered and submitted for examination is at the number 981. Okay. This includes 3 sets of human remains from the cemetery consisting of 264 bones, 264 bones. And the total number of human bones as per the Office of Assistant Secretary Eliseo de Cruz is 887. Again, all of this po is as of October 12, 2025.
Yung DNA ba, sir, may update sa DNA testing that would link to the missing Sabongeros?
To answer your question, so the short answer is none yet. Okay, we cannot with accuracy say that there has been. Ang masabi lang po namin ay the total number of reference DNA samples collected from the families is 33. So reference lang po ito. No, at least we have basis upon which we can compare yung DNA that we collected. But to answer your question, sir, wala pa po. Again, the DNA results will go into whether or not sufficient evidence exists to be able to proceed to trial. Again, investigation, or rather to proceed to preliminary investigation. Law enforcement and the prosecution are doing their part to ensure that may ebidensya po na magagamit to proceed to trial. So kasama po lahat yan.